Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. I'd like to share with you a brief update. We've done quite a bit of work on this car. This is the 1966 Oldsmobile Delta 88 Convertible. In an earlier video we shared with you where we did a bunch of work to the frame in terms of the repair. We did lots of repair work to the steel floor in numerous locations of the body, and then we shared with you where we set the body back onto the frame. We've made a lot of progress since then, so we're just ready to bring the car down off the hoist, but I thought we'd share with you how nice it looks under here now compared to what it did before. So we have the bumper back reinstalled in position. You can see the gas tank is in, and we've got all this, because the earlier video we shared with you this commercial grade rocker guard that we applied. So we've got all the rocker guard. You can see we've got quite a bit of new hardware in the bumper brackets over here on the side. I think the camera can probably see it if I'm not glaring too much. So a lot of new hardware that we had to set up, and then we got all new mounts. So the body to chassis mounts, they were in terrible condition, to be blunt. So we've got all new mounting. And then we didn't like all of the brake lines. So you can see along here, along the back, we've got the new tires installed, and then we have the all new brake line. So there is a lot of brake line repair done at different times, and a lot of junctions, and just in a lot of seepage, and we just didn't really like it. The brake pedal didn't feel very good in my opinion, so we just pulled all of the brake lines off and did all new brake lines. So now as we come down further, you can see we have, so once again, we have this is the diff, and we're basically facing the back obviously, and you can see where we have the junction, the flex line's in good shape, and then we have brand new, and that's that nickel copper line. So we've got brand new nickel copper line running all the way over, coming into here and coming down and across. You can follow it all the way down the frame, where you can see it's all new copper line. So this is a lifetime warranty on this nickel copper line. Comes all the way around, obviously up to the master. And then on the opposite side, so on this passenger side, what we've done is we have all new fuel line, and this is the larger fuel line that you can see, nickel copper with new fittings coming along down the side. They had those old plastic clips from the factory. They're all brittle and just kind of dangling there. So now we have all of that done. It comes all the way up to the front here. So now we're under the engine, and then you can see where we have the combination of our new copper, nickel copper fuel line, and then we have our new nickel copper brake line coming around. So we have all new lines. We're not going to do anything with, there's a lot of like little seepage and stuff. The client didn't want to do anything about that at the present time. She doesn't drive the car very much, but now you can see with the floor repair, so now it's quite a drastic change from before, because if you recall in earlier videos, the frame was really bad all the way along. The mounting point, which you can see here, our mounting point, there was nothing there before. This was all rotted away. This had sunken down. The floor was all rotten. This is a new floor. And then we've got new steel plate along here. So you can see it's a tremendous amount of work, but it was totally unsafe to drive the way it was. So now it's well protected. So we've got the frame repair done. We have there's a drag link, the steering link was worn, so we have a new drag link installed. So now the next step for this car, now that we have the bottom done, we're just going to make sure that we have everything protected with this rust inhibitor paint. We'll set the car down. We'll probably shoot another video to show you all the repair work that was done to the inside of the floor, and then we're also going to protect that with the rust inhibitor where all the new metal work has been done. So quite happy the way this turned out. Big job, because we basically forgot, we should probably come around this way, because the last time you saw the car, it didn't have any part of the front end on it, or the front clip. All you saw basically was the body sitting on the frame. So now we have the front clip on. We've got our fenders, we have our trim, I think the camera person can come over this side. Now you can see we've got the front end on, the bumpers, the grille, the hood. It's amazing how much work it is, because you know you think it's just going to be the odd bolt here and there, but it's an incredible amount of work to get the body off the frame, repair it properly, set the frame back on, all new mounting points, all new body bushing and frame bushings, and this is going to be quite safe now to drive. So what we'll do next, as I mentioned earlier, we'll set it down, we'll take a video of the inside to share with you how much floor work has been done, we'll rust proof that, and then we'll put the interior back in and then get ready for an alignment. So this is the 1966 Oldsmobile Delta 88 convertible. I thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.